In this lesson, we are looking at while loops, one of the most useful tools in Python for repeating code until something changes. A while loop checks a condition before every repetition. If the condition is true, it runs the block. If the condition is false, it stops. The key is that something inside the loop must eventually make the condition false. We start by creating a variable called n and setting it to 3. This is the value we will count down from. Line 2 is the while statement. Python checks whether n is greater than 0. If that is true, it enters the loop. If it is false, it skips the loop entirely. Inside the loop, we do two things. First, we print n, then we use n minus equals 1 to subtract 1 from n. This update is critical because it makes n smaller each time, eventually making the condition false. When we run the program, Python prints 3, then 2, then 1. After printing 1, n becomes 0. The condition n greater than 0 is now false, so the loop stops and the program ends. The most common beginner mistake is forgetting to update the variable the condition depends on. If n never changes, the condition stays true forever, and your program gets stuck in an infinite loop. Remember the 3-step pattern. Set up your variable, write a condition, and always update the variable inside the loop. Follow these steps, and your while loop will run exactly as long as you need it to.